So today I'm here to speak about one of my npm packages. This is the series where I go back and visit my old projects, and this is one of my fairly good projects that I would say. So this is an npm package which acts as a replacement for create next app. So you can see the side by side comparisons of the features that I have worked on. This has fair usage of I don't know, people are using it in a way. I don't know. My goal was to reduce the friction in setup as much as I can. So speaking about the execution, we'll ask the user about a few things. I have focused mostly on Next.js, as you can say that it's just a replacement for create next app, which is using create next app itself but removing the unnecessary files. So as once the setup is done, we'll get this. So here we can see that the classic thing which we developers using Next.js. Personally, what I felt was that while using app router in particular, I had to create folders and then page.tsx in it, and it's somewhat a redundant task. So I use this package. If I have my requirements clear in the beginning, then I can just go ahead and do this. In a way, it will create multiple pages in the beginning itself, and mainly looking at the public folder, we have multiple svg files that are not used by us, which have been removed. If we switch for Prisma ORM, then we also have the database url env, which yeah, I used to forget it. Also coming talking about the Shatsian Shatsian components library. I'm initiating it too. Basically, this acts as a scaffolding tool. Talking about the package, this is the doc site, and you can say it has a couple of visitors also. You can see that there's 39 stars over there. So that's what it was. Short video just explaining what I built. That's it from me. Uh, Hope you check out other projects of me as well. Thank you.